money, it can't buy you anything love cannot gain. How can I deny you a world full of glamour and fame? But don't come to me with your buckets of grief. My heart will have turned into a stone. Why can't you see there's evil to fight, and you are not crying alone? Oh, it's obvious, as it's always been, some people just have no shame, stepping on others in the rudest of ways, all to make way in their game, striking their equals with spikes on their feet and then spinning their lies in your face. Believe me, any game will be lost, and the money is always to blame. And when your greed will have burned all your bridges down, your money can't save you no more. But the consequence of how you run is always standing in front of our door. Between a love lost and your own heart to keep, you find that there's not very much you hold on to. A burden sits down on a soul that weeps. How could it come this far? Is it so? And all is lost and you can only go where the flames are high and the pain is low. Now you've been given steady hands to reach out for a life to keep. You must be in too deep, while it's not up to you to decide. Any love is not yours to decline. afraid it's all okay. Love will come and love may stay. Weight will fall off whenever you try to understand that there's no one to blame. And not all is lost wherever you go. The pain is high, but the flames are low. Now use your steady little hands to reach out for a life to keep. You must be in too deep, while it's not up to you to decide. Any love is not yours to decline. I came to love her and I made her weep. Talk to the angels, but their hands they were tied to. Jessie came home one morning, found her husband asleep. She thought it was the time to leave this world behind. Was it truly? Filled the bath up and slowly went into a deep sleep. And on the bathroom floor, an empty bottle and nothing more for him to hold on to. A couple of hours later, Jessie's husband awoke. Not to find her beside him. Went into the hallway and called her name. Didn't get a response, and so he called again. He opened up the bathroom door. Left her love behind, together with a note that she had signed. My dear, you are so brave, but I had to go away. Good luck to you. Slowly started to cry. He felt the blood run through his eyes. Went back into the bedroom with one thing left to do. There was a loud noise. After the loud noise, a short silence was broken by a sound of 2 drops of water falling on the ground, followed by some splash of water in the air. Nobody there to realize it was just another scare. Yeah, a few minutes after her husband took his life, Jessie awoke.